Hello दोस्तों, so we have this second part of the pharyngeal arch video in which we will see the mnemonic and memory tools to remember the muscles of the pharyngeal arches, which are so many and very difficult to remember. So we will use the mnemonic, very interesting, fun mnemonic, funny mnemonic, you will like it. So before watching this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications so that you don't miss any new video. So first of all we will see the standard theory, then we will go for the trick. There are six arches, first, second, third, fourth, five, six, जिसमें से कि fifth one disappears. Now first arch, the muscle of there are four things derived from the four muscles group derived from this. So muscle of mastication, then anterior belly of digastric, then tensor belli palatini and tensor tympani. These are the four muscles which are derived from the first arch. We will again come to the mnemonic. First let us see the basic thing. Muscle of mastication is first, second is anterior belly of digastric, third is tensor belli palatini and fourth is tensor tympani. Okay, then the second arch give rise to muscle of facial expression. You can see here muscle of mastication, here muscle of facial expression. So posterior belly of digastric is the second, stapedius and stylohyoid are the second arch derivative muscles. Then come to the third arch, which is stylopharyngeus, and the last one is cricothyroid, levator palatini and constrictors of pharynx. All the constrictor muscles of the pharynx which helps in the constriction of the pharynx. So these are the fourth arch derivative muscles, and sixth is the intrinsic muscles of pharynx. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. Now we will understand the mnemonic. Listen to this, watch till last and don't miss it very carefully. So here first we will see individually, then we will see the whole mnemonic. A is equal to 1, anterior. So here we will pick A from the anterior, and A is equal to first alphabet. Okay, then tensor and tensor belli palatini and tensor tympani both includes 10. We will make it as 1 0 is equal to 10 and 0 means nothing. यहाँ से हम 10 का 1 उठाएंगे तो this will become 1. Anterior से 1, tensor का 10, 10 में से 1 लिया हमने 0 को हटा करके. So it is like the first arch. Okay, and here the mnemonic is like this whole thing is mnemonic. Okay, so here must auntie, an auntie who is must, so must veli auntie. Veli means in India, in Hindi, veli means in Punjabi, veli means who have no work to do. Veli means who can do anything, basically nothing work has to be done by this person. So vela or veli we call them. So must veli auntie plays. TT means table tennis for time pass. So you can see must mastication का MAST उठा करके मस्त बनाया हमने. Then यहाँ से हमने एंटीरियर का आंटी बनाया हमने, आंटी. देन थर्ड वेली का उठा के हमने वेली यहाँ पे रखा, एंड टी को हमने बनाया टेबल टेनिस. दिस इज टेबल टेनिस एंड दिस इज टाइम, TYM टाइम, एंड पास PANI पानी. वी विल टेक इट एज टाइम पास. यू कैन से टिम्पेनाई टाइम पास. सो मस्त वेली आंटी प्लेस टेबल टेनिस फॉर टाइम पास. मस्त मसल ऑफ मेस्टिकेशन, आंटी एंटीरियर वेली ऑफ डाइगेस्ट्रिक, वेली टेंसर विलाई पेलेटिनी, टेंसर then TT tensor villi palatini and tensor tympani. You can see. So this is the first arch. Now we will come to the second arch. So in second arch you can see when here comes the anterior belly of digastric, then obviously here will come the posterior belly of digastric, and this is facial expression. Then here you can see T, I have written down with capital letter T and T. T and T means two alphabet, two TWO started with T. So second arch TT is like this. And for the mnemonic thing, standard style to post on Facebook. So when we post a DP or new picture, we take the standard picture in style and then we post on FB or on any other social platform. So standard means stapedius ka we have taken standard, stylohyoid ka we have taken style, then posterior we have taken post, and facial we have taken Facebook. Standard style to post on Facebook. Suppose this must auntie will play table tennis in style and standard form, and she will post her pic on Facebook. So in table tennis she is using muscles, okay, of hand, and in facial expressions she is smiling, again using muscles of face. Okay, and she is chewing the chewing gum, so muscle of mastication you can think correlate with this thing. Then stylopharyngeus, so this is not of second arch, this is not of fourth arch, so in between 2 and 4 comes the 3, so stylopharyngeus will be 3. Okay, just remember, nothing specific mnemonic is required for this. Then comes the cricothyroid, levator palatini, constrictors of pharynx. You can learn it like love for care and concern. Love means levator, and for means FOR, for is fourth arch is related to 4. Care means CARE, care is related to crico, CARI, crico, sounds similar. And concern, CON, and here CON, constrictors. So love, for, care and concern, this is okay, fourth arch. And sixth is intrinsic muscle of larynx. Here we will pick X, and X comes in the spelling of 6, so X is equal to 6 is equal to sixth arch. So here you will you have to remember 4 things. Mast Valley auntie plays table tennis for time pass. She post standard pic in style on Facebook, and she has love for care and concern, and this is 6th. Hope this will help you in remembering this topic. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.